So we have bringing in a CAD model that doesn't come in the orientation that you want. Here's what we will do. So I'm going to import a CAD model, and I have this one right here. Now notice it comes in, it's buried in the machine, kind of doesn't really look where it's supposed to be. To get this into the orientation you want, we go to right here, position and rotation of the CAD model, and now we can use our 6 degrees of motion, and we can rotate it or we can translate it. Rotating it, I would suggest that you start out with 90 or 45 degrees to get it in the orientation you want. In this case, I'm going to orientation on the X axis, kind of flips it up the way I want. Now if I take a look at it from the front view, it's a little bit higher off the glass than I want it, so I'm going to drop it down using the translation. So position moves it up and down. It doesn't have to be right on the glass. If you want it a little more centered, you definitely can do that, and just, you know, you can move it over there. I moved it 100 millimeters and 100 millimeters, so you can move it around. So basically these are your three controls that manually put it in there, and you know, that's probably the easiest way to do it. So I'll give you an example of another one right here. This time we'll go this one here. Comes in a little goofy. There we go. Once again, it's buried. So in that case, we're probably, in this case, I'm going to probably move it off the glass first. Now I want to take a look at this from the front view, so you can see how it's buried in the glass. I'm going to probably move it off the glass, move it up, just by holding and going up there. And then now I'm going to take a look at it in 3 dimensions. And there it is right there. And then what we'll probably do is rotate that. If I rotate it in Z, it's not really what I wanted, so let's go there. We'll go back to 90 here. Make sure this is 0. And I go back to the front view. Now it's off the glass, I can move it back down. And there we have it. And bring it in by hitting save. Comes in. There it is. Looks pretty good. Alright. One last one. And we'll look at, let's see here. So this one comes in. Here's one I don't really want it looking like this. I want to have it, I want this part rotated a little bit different. So in this case, I'm gonna, what I'm gonna do is, we're gonna rotate it looking from the top view. I'm gonna rotate it 90 degrees in the y-axis. Alright. Now I'm going to rotate the z-axis 90 to get it. Actually, let's go negative 90 or 270, either one. There we go. If I go to the front view, now let's bring it up off the glass so I make sure there's a little bit of air underneath that. There you go. And we should be good. If for some instance you want it to go back, just press reset. It'll set it right back to there, or you can type in zeros. Alright. Hopefully this will help you. Alright. Have a great day.